Climb inside the 2018 Ford Explorer. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, heated steering wheel, a power liftgate, remote keyless entry, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Premium sound drives 12 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.